Alright, this is going to be an art video. I drew a little abstract vine thing just to have here because I'm going to demonstrate my favorite shading technique, which is stippling. And the key ingredient to doing art and things like this, guys, is patience. You got to take your time. I mean, you can't rush things. That's not what this is about. Anyways, without further ado, I'm going to start stippling. Now, when you see creases like here, I always like to start in areas like this and just do one dot at a time. And I'm sorry my hand's in the way, I'll move. So, I'm sticking close to the outline, doing one dot at a time, making it darker. And then as you move away, you want to spread the dots out. And your art supplies don't really matter too much. I know people get caught up with like what pens are you using and things like that. It doesn't matter. Use whatever's fun for you. I'm using Faber-Castells though, if you really must know. And that's just because they were on sale at the art store that was going out of business. Now I'm coming down here to do this this little bulb area, and I'm outlining kind of the curve that I want to shade right here. And I know it doesn't look like much right now, but once you get towards the end of completing your shading, you'll be amazed at what just stippling can do to your art. Sorry, I kind of ran out of things to say. I don't really know what to talk about. Like in all my other videos, it's hard for me to just talk for a long period of time. So I'm doing what I can with what I have. But I'm not sure if you can see, but it looks completely different than how it did before, at least in this general area. I'm trying to keep my hand out of the way. I'm sorry. Accommodating a camera while drawing is a little harder than I expected it to be. But keep it darker towards the outline, and then spread it out as you pull away from the shaded area. And I'm doing this on the bottom here because the light source is going to come from this direction. And that's something you need to keep in mind. Where is your light source coming from? If you even have one. I mean, you don't have to shade your drawings at all. I mean, it's up to you what you want to do. That's why it's art and that's why it's fun. But I like shading because it just adds an extra layer of depth to your, literally extra layer of depth to your drawing. And it's not hard. Stippling is one of the easiest, most controllable shading you can do with pens, in my opinion. And see, this bulb here, I'm just outlining the area I want to shade. So this would be the beginning of the area I'm shading. And then as we get over to here, I'll spread the dots out a little bit further. I should have drank more coffee before doing this. So, I mean, it's not too difficult. It just takes a little bit of time. This isn't going to be a super long video. There isn't much to really demonstrate when it comes to stippling because it's just dots, but stippling doesn't take long once you get used to the rhythm. Everybody has their own pace, but you definitely want to take your time starting out. Your drawings don't have to be perfect. No drawing is perfect, ever. It doesn't matter. Da Vinci didn't make one perfect drawing, ever. Not Da Vinci. I'm stupid. That's an inventor. Whatever. You know what I'm talking about. But, I don't know how to... okay. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna do this this one stem, and then that's probably it for today, since it's just stippling. I might go into mandalas on another day, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna have more art videos on the channel because it's just fun, and I mean, I'd love to get more people into art. I'd love to see people create things that they're proud of, and it's a great way to pass time in a healthy way, is drawing. Some people like reading, some people like playing sports, exercising. I like to exercise, but art is wonderful because it lets your creativity and your emotions out. You can put whatever you want into your drawing and make it your own. But yeah, that's just stippling, and you can do. I'll do this bulb too, just cause. But stippling is great. It's a really great shading technique. See, that's the outline of the stipples. You can't really see it, but I'll make it a little darker. There's an outline, and then I'll fill that in. And towards the center of that outline, I'll make it darker. And then, again, spread the dots out around it a little further. And there's some basic shading, guys. Not too hard. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know, please. They're really fun. I know I'm boring. I might have to add music or something, but I'm trying. I'm doing my best here. Pardon me. But yeah, I'll show this completed drawing once it's done. It's going to take me a couple days. I take a long time to draw. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. Bye.